Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I will be going to demonstrate about observable collection, object collection, and how we can retrieve the data from an object collection, and I will show you using LINQ. So let's get started with this. Let's first create a private object of observable collection that will take an object of the class type. Actually you can see that T is for type. Okay, for type means I want to create a class public class employee. In this class I am creating some property. To create a property, just type prop and hit tab 2 times. Automatically the property will be getting created. So here you can modify and can add some property here. I am adding as a name of the property. Okay, so I have added 4 properties here. What I'll be going to do in the type, I am just adding employee and creating this object instantiating this observable collection type. So here I'll be going to create an object. Sorry, I have to make it a static because we cannot access non-static fields or variables inside the static method, though it is a static method. So I just need to mention a static. After then only I can able to access inside this. So employee equal to new observable class employee. Employee Similarly, I just need to create 3 to 4 rows. Just need to add some values into it. Okay. Okay. Changing the name. Rajesh with this full name and with this okay. So now I have created successfully a collection and I have inserted some data using this into the collection. The collection name is this one and it is of type employee and the object is employee here. Then how to read the data from this object observable collection, let's see. So after this I can use LINQ to get the data. So for that I have to use IEnumerable. Actually it is used to read to put collection as read only mode. So the type is employee only. Here emp list. Okay, so from the okay, so to write LINQ queries you can start with from. You can give any user defined variable name such as I am giving emp in employee where emp dot salary. I just need to fetch the data which are greater than 30,000. The salary greater than 30,000. Select emp. Okay, so here you can give an enter and so this is the LINQ query that you can fetch. You are fetching and keeping in this list which is read only mode. Okay, so IEnumerable containing the collection and that is the read only mode. Okay, so to fetch the data I will be using for each loop. So for each means type for each and hit tab 2 times, automatically the code will be generated. Here in collection you just need to put emp list. You have to put this name. Okay, then after that you have to write console. We have to print that data, right? Console dot write line. Okay, console dot write line, what you need to put item. This item, you just need to type item here. Once you type item and put dot, automatically the property will be available. This property of the class will be available. So dot name, I just need to display name, designation, salary, age, everything. So name concatenate with plus operator. I'm just giving some space in between that and again concatenating with item dot age. Okay, the same thing I have to do for others. So I'm just copying everything. Okay, sorry. For here I just need to display designation and salary. Okay, after that I can give console.read key. So read key I am giving unless and until the any key presses will be fired from your keyboard, the console will be displaying this output to you. It will not, the console window will not vanish. That's why I am giving read key. It is actually needed in console application. If you are doing some Windows application or web application, these things will not required, and this thing will not required. Actually you need to see this thing only, what are the things that you need to display. Okay, and the condition I have put here, the salary should be greater than 30,000. See what are the data that I will be getting. Run the application. You can see you can see all the salary that above 30,000 I am displaying this. Okay, so if I am giving another data, let's say employee name only, employer name equal to Ritesh. Search the data in the collection whose employer name is equal to Ritesh only. I just need to find who are the Ritesh, whose employee name is Ritesh, and I need to display the data. Let's see how many rows we'll be getting. We are getting 2 rows. Okay, so this is how you can give the condition, and using this LINQ queries, and put in a enumerable employee, which is a read only mode. After that you have to just for each loop it through this collection. For each data item, this item is nothing but a variable which will be looped in this collection. So each data will be looped, and you will be getting this output line by line here. Okay, so this is the line where you will be getting line by line output. So thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope this will really help you guys, how you can read the observable collection, and how you can put or insert the data into observable collections. Okay, so observable collection, that we can put a string data type or any type like class or object data type. So you can see, like, I have kept the type is class data type, and it is a observable collection. It is containing some class type, and I am just assigning some properties with the values in the collection, and looping through it with the collection, and giving some condition. According to the condition, I am just getting the result. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Let's meet with another video.